Honor Magic 6 Pro, full phone specifications. Introducing the Honor Magic 6 Pro, a phone with the latest network technology, including 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G bands, equipped for high-speed communication. Announced in January 2024, this slim and lightweight device boasts a glass front and back, or optional eco-leather back. It features dual SIM and is IP68 dust and water resistant. The Magic 6 Pro is a visual treat with a 6.8 inches LTPO OLED display, 1B colors, HDR, and a remarkable resolution for the sharpest images. Powered by Android 14 and Magic OS 8, it houses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The phone runs on an octa-core CPU and Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of memory, there's no card slot but ample internal RAM and UFS storage options. Available variants include 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 16GB RAM, and 1TB 16GB RAM. The Magic 6 Pro's camera setup is truly impressive, featuring 3 main cameras and a single selfie camera. It supports features like LED flash, HDR, panorama, and 4K video recording. As for sound, it has stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. The device supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and infrared, but doesn't include radio. The device includes multiple sensors, emergency SOS via satellite, and a long-lasting 5,600 mAh battery with 80W wired, 66W wireless, and reverse charging options. It's available in multiple colors, priced around €730.